Kabaddi's popularity has been on the rise in recent years. How popular is it in Kashmir?
So I think Pro Kabaddi has brought back the mind share that Kabaddi had lost to people in this country. Sort of, it was somewhere in the back of everybody's mind. But it's played in smaller cities, but it was never really contemporized the way it has been thanks to Pro Kabaddi League, and a lot of people now have started to follow the sport once more. And I think the rise of its popularity is in all states in India, and I'm sure it's also followed heavily in Jammu and Kashmir.
Have you ever played the sport yourself?
Oh yes, as a child I have played different versions of it, which I'm not sure what about the rules or not. We used to play kabaddi. Obviously, all of us have played it as kids. I will not tell you if I lost or I won because that's not a very good answer to me.
Your favorite pro kabaddi team and why?
Bangalore Bulls. I mean, I live in Bangalore, so I support Bangalore. And I also support the Pink Panthers because of Big Pink.
Your thoughts on the women's kabaddi challenge?
Okay, I think I was looking at a lot of it online, and I realized that it's beautiful how Pro Kabaddi has brought about a women's kabaddi challenge this time. It's interesting to see these powerful women coming out and showing everybody what they're absolutely amazing at. And I believe that these women already are big achievers in their own right with the team that they play with our team that they play with. But it's awesome to see them coming in as a part of the Pro Kabaddi this time. More to women power.
What makes pro kabaddi the asli panga?
Okay. What makes it the asli panga is that I think kabaddi has such nice. I think every sport has aggression, and some sort of every sport is played with some sort of sportsmanship. And there are some sports which are played with that insane aggression. You can say that football is one of those sports. Like cricket is a gentleman's game. It has muted aggression. Kabaddi is all out aggression, and that's why it gets the adrenaline really high, and people really kind of I think that's what makes it the